Here is how to remove parental controls from a Google account. So first, you need to go ahead and open your device settings. Go ahead and tap on Google. Then switch to All Services tab, which is in the right-hand side of the screen. Then scroll all the way down and there you'll see the section of Children and Family. And there is the option of parental controls. Go ahead and tap on that. If you have it activated or it's set up on your Google account, you need to go ahead and open it and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And there you'll see the option of Stop Supervision. Read the information about the consequences and tap on Stop Supervision again. You'll encounter a warning. You'll encounter a waiting period. Initially, it's 5 minutes, then changes to 24 hours. To bypass this, you can use a parent access code. Get the parent access code from the parent's device, either in the Family Link app or the Family Link website. Then enter the parent access code and tap on Close and wait. The parental controls will then be removed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.